In this video, I'll show you 4 simple passive income ideas. Using these passive income ideas, I'm making well into 4 figures every single month in addition to my other business income. I'm sure that at least one of them will surprise you, so keep watching to find out which one. My name is Greg Kononenko, the caffeinated blogger, and on this channel I put out regular tutorials about making money online, blogging, and traffic generation. Before we get to the techniques, click the subscribe button below this video to make sure that you stay up to date with my most recent videos. Also, tick the bell notification icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a new tutorial. Alright, so the first passive income idea is using Adsense and driving some automated traffic to pages with Adsense. I'm going to break it down for you step by step, show you a couple of examples here as well. So the reason why I like this is because it is completely passive and it is suitable for newbies. So let me show you one of my sites where I use Adsense currently, just to give you an idea in case you are completely new to Adsense and you don't know how it actually works. So this is one of the smaller blogs of mine. It's in the travel niche. It's called travelcroc.com. And I'm still making passive money from this blog, even though I haven't really done much with it for a long time now. So as you can see here, if you go to any post, you will see these ads. So this thing at the top here, it says sponsored links, and there is an ad here. There are also ads in the sidebar on the right, and then as you scroll down the page, there is also another ad here. So what happens is I'm getting traffic to this blog from Google via people typing different things into Google, searching for various tourism and holiday related keywords. They come to this site, and as soon as they click on one of these ads, I get paid a certain amount per click. Okay, so it's completely passive. I don't need to do anything. All I need to do, and you would need to do if you wanted to use this as a passive income idea, is to create some kind of posts with content, put a little bit of code, and all these ads show automatically. You don't even need to kind of, do too much to maintain it or anything like that. And then essentially you would just drive the traffic to these posts. You can do this in any niche. I've got AdSense blogs in 3 different niches at the moment. And you can literally do this in any niche because AdSense will show ads in any niche that you possibly can think of. I currently make approximately 4 figures a month with AdSense, so it can be very profitable. It is scalable as well, and traffic can be automated. You can actually get automated traffic from Pinterest to your posts. You can get automated traffic from Google via search. So if you if you create posts on really low competition keywords, then you can rank. Even as a brand new site, you can rank for a lot of different keywords on Google. So once people come to your site, wherever they come from, if they come from Pinterest, if they come from Google, from anywhere, as long as they click those ads, you're going to get paid. How much can you make? All right, so this is a question that you probably guys are thinking about. So you can make anywhere from $1 to $100 per 1,000 visits. This will depend on your niche. Some niches, for example, niches about legal, attorney related things, divorce, all of those kind of things, niches related to credit cards, home loans, they pay a lot. All right, if you manage to get traffic, which is of course a little bit more difficult in those niches, but if you manage to get traffic in those niches to your site, you can make a lot of money with AdSense because advertisers just pay so much. In some instances they pay $30, $50 or even more dollars per 1 click, which is insane. And you get paid a good portion of that by Google. Now, in some other niches, you can get a ton of traffic. For example, in a dog niche or in a travel niche, you can get a lot of traffic very easily because there's a lot, relatively little competition in those niches. But you're going to make less per 1,000 visits. Now, I'm not allowed to disclose you exactly how much I make per 1,000 visits. Google terms actually prohibit that. But what I can tell you is that I make somewhere between $10 and $80 per 1,000 visits in all of my niches. Okay, so that's just a rough guideline for you. And once again, this is completely passive, guys. Now, you might be thinking, all right, but how do I make a site that looks like this and how do I actually get traffic to it? So on my channel, I actually have videos about all of this. I can't go into all of these detail in this video, otherwise it would just be hours long. But if you look in the description below, you'll find links to my other videos that will explain you how to both build the site as well as get the traffic. Okay, so you can get started with this. All of these videos on my channel are completely 100% free. Cool. So now let's talk about the second one in my list of passive income ideas, and that is reseller hosting. Before you get scared and kind of run away or fast forward, just hear this out. So this is actually completely passive business. It's I've done a little bit of research on YouTube. I don't think a lot of people talk about this in these kind of videos, but this is actually a really, really awesome idea for you to start building recurring income. Now, why? Okay, this might actually initially appeal to people who are sort of a little bit more technically minded, but even if you know nothing about hosting, nothing about setting up servers, you could still do this. Don't get scared just because this is hosting. Now, the way that this works, you can get a reseller hosting plan for approximately $20 to $25 a month. So let me just show you a couple of things that I've prepared here. So one of these types of hosting is this one called in-motion hosting. And as you can see here, their plans start from $15 per month for reseller hosting accounts. Now, there's also some plans for 21, which are actually a better kind of value for money. So let me just work with this example, 21. Let's just call it $20 a month, okay? Now, how do you actually make money from this? Well, on this plan that I just showed before, this $22 plan, you can easily have 15 accounts that you've sold to others. So you buy this account for $20 a month, okay? And then you get allocated certain amount of disk space and bandwidth and all of these other things that hosting customers actually need. Then you can sell to others this space. You can break it down, okay? So you buy all of this space, you break it down into, let's say, 10, 15, or 20, or however many accounts you want, and you can sell it to others. And how much can you charge others? Well, you can charge anywhere from $4 to $10 a month. That seems to be the going market rate for smaller kind of accounts. Obviously, these are going to be accounts for small blogs, all right? Massive blogs require big hosting, so you'd be looking at kind of newbie people who really want those budget kind of solutions. Okay, and you can charge them anywhere from, let's say, $4 to $10 a month for the kind of plans that you can set up on this $20 per month account. So what that means is that you can bring in, on that one account for $20 a month, you can bring in anywhere from $60 to $150 a month, depending how you decide to structure it. And that is recurring, ongoing, because I tell you one thing, once people sign up for hosting, they pretty much don't leave. Because it's, once they've got their site somewhere, they don't move. I have not moved my hosting in, I don't know, 5 years, I think. I just continue paying, and I pay a lot. I pay close to $200 a month for all of my hosting combined. I just stay with one company. It's way too complicated to move to a different hosting provider, so people will just stay. So as you can see, you can sort of grow this, right? Once you get this $20 plan, you sell these accounts, then you can get higher value plans if you're getting more and more customers, and it becomes more and more cost efficient and more profitable for you. So it is mostly passive and automated. You do occasionally get a random client support request that might ask you a particular question. So what you would do then is you would simply copy and paste it to a 24/7 dedicated support team, which all of these hosting providers have. So 24/7 customer support. So basically you just copy and paste the support ticket to the technical team, and they will answer it for you very, very quickly. So that's another great passive income idea that you can explore. Okay, now let's talk about number 3, passive income idea number 3. So it would be recurring affiliate programs. So how does this actually work? Well, all you need to do is you need to recommend quality product. You need to get someone to click your link, whether it's on social media, on your site, or somewhere else, and buy something. Now, a lot of people do affiliate marketing. Maybe you're doing affiliate marketing yourself as well. But what a lot of people do not focus on, and I did not really focus on up until recently, is on recurring affiliate programs. Because once you bring in a sale like that, you actually get paid every single month, month after month, especially if it's a good, high quality service. You can make really good money. It's very profitable, and it works in any niche. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about there. Okay, so for example, here is my website, caffeinatedblogger.com. Here is one of the articles that I've got posted on my site. It's free traffic sources, okay, and it's getting good traction, getting a good number of shares, good number of visitors. Now, I've got certain affiliate links here in the article. For example, where I talk about Tailwind and how you can get traffic from Pinterest using Tailwind, I've got this link here. And if someone clicks this link, this is my affiliate link. It's a special type of tracking link. You can see here, long line of mumbo jumbo. Okay, this is a special affiliate link. They will land on this page. And if they sign up, then the sign up will be tracked to my name on the tracking software. So a lot of people have been signing up from here and from various other places where I've got links to Tailwind. Now, Tailwind affiliate program is really, really good because I'm going to show you here inside my ShareASale account. This is where Tailwind affiliate program actually lives. They pay 50 cents per lead. So anyone who just signs up for a free trial account, I get 50 cents for that, okay? But then a lot of these accounts actually end up upgrading to monthly and yearly plans. And I get paid a percentage of these ongoing monthly sales. So for example, this is a $2.25 commission. As you can see, this is 15% of the sale amount, which is 15 bucks monthly plan, $15 a month, someone upgraded. And I'm gonna get paid every month for this. This is the exciting part about it. Once people sign up for a good quality service, they will just stay. All right, and your portfolio, so to speak, of these recurring commissions will actually continue growing month after month. So all you need to do is just get people to click your link, sign up for this program, and you're going to continue getting paid every single month, month after month. Now, as I told you before, this actually works in any niche. So my Caffeinated Blogger website, of course, is in the online marketing space, online marketing niche, but just a quick Google search will reveal lots of excellent programs. For example, here is a post on the nichehacks.com website, and they've got a really good amount of information here in regards to various affiliate programs. And they've listed a ton of recurring affiliate programs as well. So for example, here is in the health niche, there is LCS MD, okay? There is recurring sales that they're paying. There is another one in romance affiliate programs. Once again, there are recurring monthly programs. And the good thing is that these programs have actually been tested and optimized for conversions. All you need to do in your niche is just find those programs, which is not very hard. Just use Google. It's pretty easy. And you will continue getting paid month after month. You can sort of build your residual affiliate commission pool, okay? And you don't have to create a product for this. You don't need to do any customer service. So all of those really painful things, as a product creator myself, I know it's very, very difficult to create a product. It's very difficult to market that product and then to make sales of that product. And then it's very time consuming to do customer service. As an affiliate, if you're promoting those recurring programs, you don't have to deal with any of this. Let's move on to number 4 in this list of passive income ideas. So the number 4 idea is YouTube. Now, YouTube is, in my honest opinion, is probably the biggest opportunity out there right now. It's just insanely, crazily powerful. I personally ignored YouTube for a very long time. I really regret this now. My thinking about it always was, I'm actually really shy to be on camera. I don't want to be on camera, but I got over that fear. You know, I still get really nervous every time I get on camera. I prepare for a long time. Sometimes it takes me 5 hours to prepare for a video and to get myself into this mindset of, okay, I got to be on camera. I got to be sharp. I got to be energetic. I got to be positive. That's what stops a lot of people. And that's actually a good thing, because what happens is most people, like 99.99999% of people in the world, don't do YouTube. So if you are brave enough to start a YouTube channel and start putting out your videos out there, you know, you might kind of not be very good at the very start, but you will get better as the time goes on. And as you make those videos, you actually get paid per what's called a monetized view. There is kind of a little thing around it. Your channel has to be has to grow. You have to have 4,000 of watch hours before you can apply to have your videos monetized, but you can get there within a relatively short amount of time. Now, let me just show you, just in case you're wondering how am I going to grow my YouTube channel and all of that kind of stuff, I will actually show you something here. So these are my stats for the last 365 days. Now, at the end of December, so a year ago, I was at approximately 800 subscribers on YouTube. I didn't do anything with YouTube for a very long time. I just continued kind of slowly getting subscribers whenever I put out a video here and there, but I was not focusing on it. Now I've got 12,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And the big growth came when I started focusing on it from July till now. Okay, so in the last 6 months, I've only been doing probably 3 to 4 videos per month maximum, maybe even like 2 to 3. But this is the growth that I have had. So I have gone from about less than 1,000 subscribers to 12,000 subscribers in 1 year, and I've only really worked on this, sporadically between July and December. So this just shows you the potential. How much can you actually make if you start a YouTube channel? Well, the range will once again depend on your niche, because you get paid essentially per monetized view. So this is a view where there is a pool of willing people who want to advertise on your channel. But general range seems to be, if you look around on the internet, seems to be between $1 and $20 per 1,000 views. Once again, depends heavily on your niche. But this amount is actually ongoing. So what I mean by that is you might put out a video and perhaps it will only make you 50 cents a day. Okay? It doesn't sound like a lot, does it? But if you think about this, this is like a snowball. The more videos you put out, and even if each video is just making you 50 cents a day, every single day, after 30 days, you'll be at a point where you're making $15 per day completely passively. It just continues ticking away for you. And it will kind of grow, because the more your channel grows, the more authority your channel collects, the more views you're going to attract, the more subscribers you're going to attract. So it's kind of like a snowball. Once it starts growing, it just keeps growing faster and faster and faster. And you can also do other things in your videos. You don't have to just monetize with YouTube. You can sell your own things via the links in the description or via what you say in the video. You can build your email list. You can put affiliate links. So let me just show you what I'm talking about there. For example, this is my video on YouTube, how to get traffic to your website. I published this basically 2 months ago. I've had 36,000 views on it so far. As you can see, it's ranking for a lot of really good tags. For example, for tags, website traffic, how to get traffic to your website, and so on. And in the description here, and actually in the video, I talk about Pinterest traffic. So people click this link and if they subscribe once again, I get paid a commission, okay? So you don't have to just monetize with ads even before you hit that 4,000 watch hours, which will qualify you for YouTube ads. You can make money by selling your stuff, putting affiliate links, and so on. So these are the 4 passive income ideas that I wanted to talk to you guys about today. If you enjoyed this content and you would like to get more content like this from me in the future, then make sure to click the subscribe button just below this video, as well as click the little bell notification icon.